Good morning, guys. What's up? Welcome back. My name is Swati, and I'm a travel vlogger. I think this is the first video that you're watching on this channel from Chhattisgarh. So, welcome to Chhattisgarh. In reality, this is my last day here. We have been in Chhattisgarh for almost 9 days, explored quite a lot of it, actually, the southern part, the Bastar area, and it's been so good. So, the official videos will come from the next video onwards. I thought of uploading this video first because it's just a chill day. It is easy to edit as compared to the other videos, which will take me a little longer to edit. So stay tuned with me. Right now, we are in a place called Tata Mari. This is about 150 kilometers from Raipur, and this is basically like a hill station. And the views are pretty nice from here. What you see behind me is a guest house run by the forest department. This is where we stayed last night, got such a good sleep. Now, from here, the plan is to go to Raipur and just chill in Raipur. So, that's what this video is going to be about. So, tag along, guys. Keshkal Valley to check out the zigzag roads. If you Google Chhattisgarh, this is one of the images that pops up, and this was only about 10 minutes from the resort.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken.
After a long ride from Tata Mari, we finally made it to Raipur and also checked into the hotel. We are staying at the Hyatt. It's in the center of the town, and also there's a mall close by, so which is why this is a pretty good location.
Triple A, credits are right. Hang up the phone and let your heart break. Only in LA, 24 twice.
Do you guys remember how I've been trying to learn a new thing every single day? Be it a new phrase or a cool new editing trick, the idea is to learn something new every single day, so that by the end of the year, there would be 365 new things that I know. Today's video sponsor is a platform that has helped me so much in my journey of learning, and I've spoken about them earlier as well. Presenting Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of creative classes curated by industry experts. So whether you are an aspiring YouTuber, artist, or an entrepreneur, there is something personal for everyone. One of the classes that I've taken recently and loved is about short form video creation by this amazing creator Haleez. It's a 30 minutes long total value packed class. Besides this, I have taken tons of classes on photography, calligraphy, storytelling, etc. I can go on this, but I will not. And you know what the best part is? Skillshare is super affordable. The annual subscription will cost you less than 2400 rupees, which is less than 200 rupees a month. I bet your work from cafe a day costs a lot more than that. It's really a no-brainer. It could be one of the best investments you ever make in your personal growth. And there's a special offer that I have for you guys. The first 1,000 people to click the link in the description will get a 1 month free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. That is 1 month of free unlimited learning. I definitely recommend you check out Skillshare, and I'm sure you'll definitely find something that interests you. And with that, let's move on with the vlog. It's been a while now and I'm starting to feel hungry. So I told you that this hotel is close to a mall, right? So it is the Magneto Mall. It's just at walking distance. So let's go there and check out if there is something interesting. This is one of those shops that definitely excites me all the time, and since I moved to Nasik, I've been missing Miniso. guys, Subway it is. Been craving some vegetables. I feel like all throughout we've been just eating rice and no vegetables. So, Subway.
Triple A, credits alright. Hang up the phone and let your heart break on the inner leg.
It's evening time now and we have come to Telibanda Lake. Actually, this place is called Marine Drive. Even though there's no sea, it's just lake, but it is what it is. And it is quite nice. It is very peaceful. You can see a lot of typical lake stuff like couples, good food. And yeah, that's the whole vibe here.
Flying low under the radar, like a Nighthawk stealth plane, you are.
This somehow reminds me of Riverside in Phnom Penh. I mean, that's the vibe that I'm getting here. It's pretty peaceful and the weather is also really nice. So it's a good day to just chill. We have now come to a very cool place. This is Nukkad Cafe. This is very vibrant, very picturesque. But what is really cool about this place is that they employ a lot of transgenders and differently abled people. So while you get amazing tea here, this runs for a good cause. So if you are in Raipur or if you are in Bhilai, you should definitely check out this place.
So good.
This is just next level. It's something else. It doesn't taste like regular tea. It's really good. We have now come to a very unassuming but highly recommended place, recommended by our bhaiya also. Bhaiya, अच्छी जगह है ना?
अच्छी जगह है.
तो हम खाने जा रहे हैं kebabs and let's go and see how it is.
चिकन बंगाली स्पाइसी चटपट है, हरियाली मलाई एंड चिकन.
अच्छा, एक ये करा दे स्पाइसी. एक ये कर दो स्पाइसी. So here's our kebabs. It's quite a lot. Just squeezing some lime. Let's try this. Some chicken seek. It's juicy. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. This is a bonus video. It's not a part of my Chhattisgarh series. Now, Chhattisgarh series is mostly about the Bastar side, south side of Chhattisgarh. Lot of waterfalls, tribal life, and exotic food. I am so excited about this series. I feel like this is one of the most exciting travels that I've done. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've probably seen bits and pieces of my journey through Chhattisgarh. So I'm very excited, guys. Now, about this video, I wasn't really planning on visiting Raipur, but it was a last minute plan to visit Raipur and I ended up filming it. So here's this video. But if you are visiting Raipur, this is no way like a things to do in Raipur video because I'm sure there's a lot more that Raipur has to offer. So you could do these things and in addition to that, you could do other things as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you like travel videos in general, consider subscribing. I will see you all very soon with my Chhattisgarh series. Till then, take care and bye-bye.